That is the original Triumph sump guard, which is very thin plastic, probably quite brittle. I don't really know. Never really put it to the test. But I was looking through my garage the other day and I found a new old stock Preston Petty universal sump guard, probably from the 1970s. Much thicker, much more heavy duty, and designed specifically for off-road bikes. Now I don't know whether these things are still available, but it pretty much fitted straight on. I did have to chop 10mm off the top of it because it was a bit too big, but I've used all the existing mounting brackets and it actually looks pretty good, pretty standard. Of course it was the right colour too. Now the old sump guard is held to the bike with 4 bolts which go in those holes there and these ones here, and then the other 4 bolts hold the three pieces of plastic together, so you actually lose 4 bolts and 2 pieces. Now I have no intention of taking it off-road, but it looks pretty good and it fits. Looks like it should be on there.